Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss another important questions in the national income chapter. First, read the following statement carefully, write the true or false with reason. First, transfer of payment are included in the estimation of national income. The answer is false because transfer of payment are not included in the estimation of national income because the transfer payment are unilateral payment and they are not related to the factor services rented by the resident of the country. Next, national income is the sum total of factor income earned by the normal resident and non-resident of a country during the period of accounting year. The answer is false. National income is the sum total of factor income earned by the normal resident country during the period of the accounting year. The next question. The Indian people employed in the World Health Organization located in India are non-resident of India. The answer is false because the Indian people employed in the World Health Organization located in India are not a non-resident of India. It may be treated as a normal resident of India. Next, income earned by the foreign working in branch of foreign bank in India is a part of a domestic factor income of India. The answer for this question is true. This is because the branch of foreign bank is located within a domestic territory of India. Now next question, money received from sale of shares is included in domestic factor income. The false because money received from sale of share is not included in the domestic factor income because the sale and purchase of the share only cause change in ownership of financial asset. There is no value addition in the terms of flow of goods and services in the economy. Next, depreciation added to the gross domestic income to be obtained national income. The answer is false. Depreciation is subtracted from the gross domestic income to be obtained national income. Next question. A scholarship given by the government of India is included in national income of India. False. A scholarship given by the government of India is not included in national income because a scholarship is a transfer payment. Next, depreciation is the basis of difference between the domestic income and national income. False. Depreciation, the basis of difference between the domestic income and national income is a net factor income from abroad. Now next question, domestic product can be more than the national product. True. When the net factor income from abroad is negative, domestic product would be more than the national product. Now next question, salary to Indian resident working in German embassies in India is included in a domestic income of India. False. Because salary to Indian resident working in German embassy in India is not included in the domestic income of India because Germany embassies in India is not a part of the domestic territory of India. Next question, profit earned by the company in India which is owned by the non-resident included in the national income of India. True. Profit earned by the company in India which is owned by a non-resident is a part of domestic factor income of India because the company is generating profit within a domestic territory of India. Therefore, as a component of domestic income, it is included in the national income of India. Next question, national debt interest is included in national income of India. False. National debt interest is not included in national income of India because it is treated as a transfer payment. Next question, the salary received by the Indian working in the branch of foreign bank in India is included in the estimation of domestic income. True. The salary received by the Indian working in the branch of foreign bank in India is the part of domestic income because these branch of foreign bank are located within a domestic territory of the country.